Force it in the
Are we recording, boys? Let's try this out. Here we have.
Yeah, zip.
Yeah.
Like, recent lighting.
Well, look at this face detection software.
Industrial light magic. Here we go. Look at that.
It's like I'm really in Hollywood.
It's like Star Wars.
Whoa, look at that professional production quality.
Explanations. The superintendent's gonna need his medication. When he's explain exaggeration, we travel in town tonight.
Well, Seymour, I made it. Despite. Well, Seymour, I made it despite your directions.
Superintendent. I hope you're ready for an unforgettable luncheon. Oh, ye gods! My roast is ruined! Don't do that, oh, ye gods.
No, not yet.
But what if I were to buy fast food and disguise as my own cooking? Oh, delightfully devilish Seymour.
Why'd you walk away?
Late.
Oh, wait, no, you're covering Mark. Now it's filming. Okay.
Seymour!
Superintendent. I was just stretching my calves. Isometric exercise. Oh, superintendent.
Keep going.
Oh, superintendent. I was just stretching my calves on this windowsill.
So quiet on set.
Why is there smoke coming out of your oven, Seymour?
That is smoke. It's steam from the steamed clams we're having. Steamed clams. Superintendent, I hope you're ready for
Good work.
I hope you're ready for fuck.
Yes.
Superintendent, I hope you're ready for mouth-watering hamburger.
I thought we were having steamed clams.
You're fine, we'll do blurry fill then, why not? Go.
No. I said steamed hams. That's what I call hamburgers.
Go.
You call hamburgers steamed hams?
Yes, it's a regional dialect.
Do it again. Why is this suddenly
Why
letterbox?
again?
Because this camera is the worst.
Yes, it's a regional dialect.
And once more. I'm looking while looking at Marv.
Yes, it's a regional dialect.
What region?
Upstate New York.
You can absolutely your lines. It's just Marv doing his lines.
Really? Well, I'm from Utica and I've never heard anyone use the phrase steamed hams before. I see.
And go.
Upstate New York. I can't fucking say it.
Try again.
Upstate New York. No, not Utica. It's an Albany expression.
Try that one again.
No.
Excuse me, you're not having it.
You're not Skinner.
What are you doing, Justas?
expression. No, not Utica.
Put the light down. Oh, what are you doing?
Can you stop?
There goes the white balance.
You're the reason it's taken us 3 hours.
It's going on 4 hours now. Okay, try again.
No, not Utica. It's an Albany expression.
You know, these hamburgers are quite similar to the ones they have at Krusty Burger.
That's what I said.
Go.
Oh no, Captain Skinner Burger. It's an old family recipe.
For steamed hams.
Yes.
Yes, and you call them steamed hams despite the fact they are obviously grilled. Despite the fact that they are obviously grilled. That's upside down. No, it's not.
Oh my god. Once more.
I have more faith.
Despite the fact that they are obviously grilled.
You know, it's something I should tell you. Excuse me 1 second.
Of course.
That was a good time. I pooped. Good times had by all.
Yes, I should be.
Go.
Good lord, what is happening in there?
Aurora Borealis.
Go.
Aurora Borealis. At this time of year, at this time of the day, in this part of the country, localized entirely within your kitchen.
Happy yes. Yes.
Oh my, what? It's gone all dark.
Fuck, it's gonna
It's
rain.
just gone. Go.
May I see it?
No.
Seawater house is on fire! It's not
early.
all right yet.
Go.